Managing a lawn care business effectively requires robust, intelligent software solutions that streamline day-to-day operations, enhance customer satisfaction, and support sustainable business growth. As the industry becomes increasingly competitive, digital tools play a pivotal role in scheduling, communication, invoicing, and overall team coordination. Several software platforms stand out for their innovative features tailored to the unique demands of lawn care professionals. Service Titan is a powerful, all-in-one solution designed to optimize virtually every aspect of a lawn care business. With digital invoicing, dispatching, real-time reporting, and CRM features, Service Titan offers a centralized system that enhances both efficiency and customer engagement. Its intuitive drag-and-drop dispatch board allows for dynamic scheduling, while built-in SMS texting improves communication between field teams and office staff. The mobile app empowers technicians with detailed customer profiles, job histories, and on-site invoicing capabilities, facilitating a more personalized and professional experience. Seamless integration with QuickBooks registered trademark streamlines financial tasks, including payroll and bookkeeping, and its real-time analytics dashboard gives owners immediate insights into sales, inventory management, and employee performance, helping guide strategic decisions. ConnectAIM is ideal for businesses prioritizing mobility and simplicity. Designed as a mobile-first platform, it simplifies workforce management with features such as time tracking, task assignment, scheduling, customer communication, billing, and work order management. Its user-friendly interface ensures quick adoption by team members and reduces administrative overhead. ConnectAIM is especially beneficial for small to mid-sized businesses looking for a scalable solution that supports operational consistency without requiring extensive technical expertise. The platform also includes training modules and digital checklists, making it easy to onboard new staff and maintain service quality. LawnPro offers a comprehensive suite of tools tailored specifically for lawn care and landscaping businesses. Its functionality spans from billing and scheduling to estimating, routing, and chemical tracking. LawnPro stands out for its device compatibility. It operates smoothly on Mac, PC, iPad, iPhone, and Android, making it accessible to teams regardless of their hardware preferences. The platform also provides robust automation features, enabling business owners to set recurring invoices, send appointment reminders, and track equipment usage, all from a single dashboard. LawnPro also offers a customer portal, giving clients the ability to request services, view past invoices, and make payments online, further improving client convenience and satisfaction. Service Autopilot caters to lawn care businesses that aim to automate repetitive tasks and scale efficiently. With GPS tracking, intelligent route optimization, job costing, and estimate generation, this platform helps reduce wasted time and boost profitability. One of its standout features is the ability to automatically assign jobs based on crew availability and proximity, allowing for smarter resource allocation. Additionally, Service Autopilot's automation capabilities, such as follow-up emails, appointment reminders, and client notifications, enable business owners to maintain a professional image while saving valuable time. Its robust CRM tools also help manage customer relationships and improve retention. Upper Route Planner is a specialized tool that focuses on enhancing route efficiency for service-based businesses, including lawn care providers. It addresses common logistical challenges such as navigating between multiple client locations, minimizing drive time, and improving punctuality. The software's advanced route optimization ensures that crews follow the most efficient paths, helping to reduce fuel costs, avoid delays, and maximize the number of daily appointments. Upper also provides real-time tracking and proof of delivery visit options, adding transparency and accountability to field operations. Ultimately, selecting the right software depends on a business's unique needs, ranging from the size and structure of the team to preferred platforms and operational priorities. By carefully evaluating the features, scalability, and usability of each solution, lawn care professionals can implement a system that not only enhances daily workflows, but also supports long-term business growth in an increasingly digital and competitive landscape. Managing a lawn care business is easier with the right software. If Go High Level seems like a good fit, check out the 14-day free trial link in the description and see how it can help you stay organized and efficient.